Have you ever felt tired all day, even after a full night's sleep? Or struggled with bullying, unexplained weight gain, or joint pain that seems to appear out of nowhere? You're not alone. These are not just signs of aging or stress. They could be symptoms of chronic inflammation. This silent, low-grade fire in your body is now recognized by scientists as the root cause of nearly all major chronic diseases, from heart attacks and strokes to Alzheimer's and cancer. The good news? You don't need extreme medication or expensive treatments to fight it. The most powerful anti-inflammatory solution might already be on your plate. Today, we'll explore the truth behind inflammation, the foods that fuel it, and how to build an anti-inflammatory lifestyle that helps your body heal naturally, gently, and sustainably. Part 1: What is inflammation, and why it matters? Inflammation, in its acute form, is a vital defense mechanism, your body's natural response to injury or infection. When you cut your finger, the redness and swelling are signs your immune system is working. But when this response stays activated for too long, it turns against you. Chronic inflammation slowly damages tissues, clogs arteries, impairs digestion, disrupts hormones, and even triggers changes in the brain. It's like leaving a small fire burning inside your house. It might not be visible at first, but over time, it weakens the entire structure. Conditions like obesity, diabetes, arthritis, IBS, anxiety, and autoimmune disorders are all now linked to systemic inflammation. Recognizing these early signs is crucial because you have the power to extinguish that fire before it spreads further. Part 2: Foods that fuel inflammation. Modern diets are overflowing with inflammatory triggers. Sugar is the biggest offender, added to cereals, breads, sauces, and even healthy granola bars. It spikes insulin, stresses the liver, and fuels fat storage. Refined seed oils like corn, soy, and sunflower, commonly used in fast food and snacks, contain omega-6 fats that disrupt our cellular balance when consumed in excess. White bread, pastries, and instant noodles cause sharp blood sugar spikes and crash cycles that trigger cortisol, the stress hormone. Processed meats like bacon and salami contain nitrates that irritate the gut lining and have been linked to colon cancer. Even alcohol and diet sodas, when consumed regularly, generate oxidative stress, damaging cells from the inside out. All these items may be convenient, but they silently turn your body into a battlefield. Understanding these dangers is the first step toward change. Part 3: The core of an anti-inflammatory diet. Building an anti-inflammatory diet isn't about deprivation, it's about choosing better. Start with the rainbow: leafy greens. Carrots, red cabbage, and turmeric-rich golden roots are packed with antioxidants. Add omega-3 fats from fatty fish like sardines or flax seeds, which soothe the immune system and protect your brain. Replace refined sugar with berries, kiwis, or oranges, low in glycemic load but rich in vitamin C and flavonoids. Whole grains like quinoa and brown rice feed your good gut bacteria, supporting immunity from within. Don't forget fermented foods. Kimchi, kefir, miso, and unsweetened yogurt help balance the gut microbiome, which directly influences inflammation levels. One simple example: a lunch bowl of grilled salmon, avocado, and roasted vegetables drizzled with olive oil does more for your body than any multivitamin ever could. Part 4: It's not about dieting, it's about healing. Too often, we associate the word diet with punishment, but an anti-inflammatory approach is different. It's about rebuilding trust with your body. Imagine starting your morning with warm oats, cinnamon, and walnuts, a breakfast that nourishes your brain and stabilizes your mood. At noon, instead of grabbing fast food, you enjoy a warm bowl of vegetable soup with lentils and a side of fermented pickles. In the evening, a herbal tea and a bowl of miso tofu rice nourish your cells while calming your nervous system. There are no magic foods, only consistent, intentional choices that work with your biology instead of against it. The results? Clearer skin, steadier energy, better sleep, and even emotional resilience. This is food as healing, not food as fuel. Part 5: Signs you might be inflamed. How do you know if inflammation is already affecting you? It doesn't always scream. It whispers. Signs include fatigue that coffee can't fix, bloating after meals, migraines, skin rashes, hormonal imbalance, or depression. If you've been treating these symptoms in isolation with more caffeine, more painkillers, more creams, you might be missing the bigger picture. The body is incredibly intelligent. Inflammation is its way of saying, something's wrong. Please change course. And often, it's not about what you need to take, but what you need to remove from your daily habits. Part 6: Real People. Real recovery. Let me share a real story. A 42-year-old woman came into clinic with severe fatigue, joint pain, and brain fog. She had seen multiple doctors. Blood work showed inflammation markers, but no clear diagnosis. After 3 months of a simple anti-inflammatory plan eliminating processed foods, drinking bone broth, adding fermented vegetables, her pain faded, her energy soared, and her digestion normalized. These changes are not miracles, they are biological truths. Functional doctors around the world are now saying, change your food, change your future. And the data agrees. Part 7: Lifestyle habits that enhance healing. Food is only one pillar. Healing accelerates when you sleep deeply, reduce stress, and move intentionally. Try going to bed before 10 p.m. That's when your body's repair mechanisms activate. Get morning sun to set your circadian rhythm. Gentle walks after meals regulate blood sugar. Practice breathwork or journaling to calm the nervous system. And drink clean water, not sugary drinks. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be consistent. Healing happens slowly, then all at once. Inflammation may be silent, but your choices speak loudly. You have more control than you think. Every bite you take is either fighting inflammation or feeding it. The future of your health doesn't depend on pills or fate. It begins with your fork. Choose life. Choose clarity. Choose to give your body the love it deserves through the ancient, powerful language of real food.